morning, students. Let us start subtraction of large numbers. In this topic, first, let us discuss about properties of subtraction. The first property says the order of numbers involved in subtraction cannot be changed. Order of numbers. Let us try to understand through this example. 12,75,138 minus 10,25,719 will not be equal to 10,25,719 minus 12,75,138. It means if you change the order, here in this part you are saying that 12,75,138 is coming at first, and from this number this much is subtracted. But in this part we are saying 12,075,138 is subtracted from 10,25,790. So these two results will not be equal. If you change the order, then the result will not be equal. So we say the order of numbers involved in subtraction cannot be changed. Property 2, a number subtracted from itself gives 0. Suppose we are subtracting 32,86,541 from 32,86,541. This will result 0. This will give 0. So if we subtract the same number from the given number, then the result will be 0. Property 3, 0 subtracted from the number gives the number. If we subtract 0 from any number, the result will be that number. In this example, I have subtracted 0 from 80,10,324. The result is 8,10,324, means this number. These were three properties. One more property is left. Property 4 states that 1 subtracted from any number gives the predecessor. I have subtracted 1 from 32,85,603. The result is 32,85,602. You can understand 32,85,602 is the predecessor of 32,85,603. Similarly, one more property we can express at this place. If we add 1 to any number, then we get the successor. Suppose we are adding 1, then we will get 32,85,604. That is the successor of this number. Let us start exercise 4.3. Subtract the following numbers. Question number 1A. The first number is 60,83,175, and we are asked to subtract 22,94,321. So 5, at first we subtract the ones place. 5 minus 1, 4, 7 minus 2, 5. But here there is 1 and here is 3. So this is greater than this. We can't subtract. For that we will take carry from 1. We will take 1 from 3. So here was 11 and 1 came from here. So it became 11. 11 minus 3, 8. And when you take 1, then you have here 2. Because you will subtract 1 from 3. You have taken 1 from 3. So 2 is left. And again, not 2 minus 4 is not possible. So to make it greater, we will take 1 from here. Now it became 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 18. When you take 1 from 8, then you have 7. And 7 minus 9, again it is not possible. So to make it greater than 9, we will take 1 from here. Here we cannot take 1 because here is 0. So we will take 1 from here. If you take 1 from here, here 5 is left. And that 1 will come here, 10. From 10 we will take 1. It will be 17. And when you take 1 from 10, you have 9. So 17 minus 9, 8. Here 9, 9 minus 2, 7. And 5 minus 2, 3. In this way, the answer became 37,88,854. Number H, we are asked to subtract this one 9 crore 70,10,185 from 85 crore 1,03,225. So this 5 minus 5, first we subtract the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, thousand place, and so on. So subtraction of 1's place 5 minus 5 0. Now subtraction of 10's place, here is 2, here is 8, so 2 is smaller than 8, we cannot subtract. For that we have to make it greater, and to make it greater we'll take 1 from here, so it became 12. When you have taken 1 from here and only 1 is left, so I cut it and I wrote here 1. Now 12 minus 8 4, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 0 3. Now again 0 is smaller than 1, so we cannot subtract. To make it greater we'll take 1 from here, it became 10. 10 minus 1 9. As you have taken 1 from here, here 0 is left, 0 minus 0 0. Now 0 is smaller than 7, so we'll take 1 from here, it became 10. 10 minus 7 3. And when you took 1 from here, here 4 is left, 4 minus 9 is not possible. To make it greater we'll take 1 from here, it became 14. 14 minus 9 5. When you took 1 from here, here 7 is left, that 7 will come down. So this subtraction became 75 crore 30 lakh 93,040. Question number 2. Subtract each of the following and check the answer. 2,89,305 from 3,28,175. I have arranged the digits according to their places. So this 3,28,175, 3 will come at lakh place, 2 will come at 10,000 place, 8 will come at 1,000 place, 1 will come at 100 place, 7 will come at 10's place, and 5 will come at 1's place. And here 2,89,305, this 2,893,05. So I arranged all these digits according to their places. Now I subtracted. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 0 7, 1 minus 3 is not possible because 1 is smaller. So to make it greater we took 1 from here, it became 11 now. 11 minus 3 8. When you take 1 from here, here 7 is left, 7 minus 9 is not possible. To make it greater we took 1 from here, it became 17 now. 17 minus 9 8, and here 1 is left, 1 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll take 1 from here, it became 11. 11 minus 8 3, and when you take 1 from here you have only 2, so 2 minus 2 0. Now check the answer. This first one, upper one, is called minute, next lower one is called subtrahend, and this subtraction is called difference. To check your answer, if you add subtrahend and difference, then this will give you the minute. So for that I have written these two, 2,893,05, this number 2,89,305, and then I wrote this number 038,870, and I added here. After addition we get 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 in hand 1, 1, 9, 10, 10, 8, 18, carry 1, 1, 8, 9, 3, 12, carry 1, 2, 1, 3. So we are getting 3,28,175. That number was given here, 3,28,175. So what did you see? To check, if you add subtrahend and difference, you will get the minute. You are getting the minute, then your calculation is correct. Question number 2E. We are asked to subtract 13,75,183 from 42,87,632. I arranged all these digits according to their places. So at 10 lakh place 4 will come, at lakh place 2 will come, at 10,000 place 8 will come, at 1,000 place 7 will come, at 100 place 6 will come, at 10's place 3 will come, and at 1's place 2 will come. And similarly I arranged all these digits also according to their places, and then I subtracted. 2 minus 3 is not possible. To make it greater we took 1 from here, it became 12. Now 2 minus 3, 12 minus 3 equal to 9. As you took 1 from here, then you have only 2, 2 is left. 2 minus 8 is not possible. To make it greater I took 1 from here, so it became 12. Now 12 minus 8 equal to 4. As you took 1 from here, here 5 is left. 5 minus 1 4, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 7 1. Again 2 is smaller than 3, so not possible to subtract. To make it greater we will take 1 from here, it became 12. 12 minus 3 9, and as you took 1 from here, here 3 is left. 3 minus 1 2. So this difference became 29 lakh 12,449. The upper one is called minute, next one is called subtrahend, and third the subtraction is called difference. if you add subtrahend and difference, you will get the minute. So I have added these two numbers, 13,75,183, this one, plus 29,12,449. I added this, I got 3 plus 9 12, in hand 1, 1 plus 8 9 4 13, carry 1 1 1 2 4 6, 5 2 7 7 1 8, 3 plus 9 12, carry 1 1 and 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So this is our verification. So I got 42,87,632, that is given here. So our calculation is correct.